Hello, I am Brittany Jordan. Technology can enhance classroom learning in a variety of ways. Assessments are an important part of classroom learning, and technology can enhance this aspect as well. From helping teachers to assess students in all levels of knowledge, to identifying patterns in learning through data, technology-based assessment tools can help teachers and students succeed. Let's take a look at 5 assessment tools that teachers can easily implement into their classrooms. To start, Google Forms is a way to easily determine recall questions because the platform allows a teacher to create short answer multiple choice questions. Google Forms can auto-grade materials and create analytics of each test. This is an ideal way to create a streamlined process for pre-tests, quick reviews of materials, or exit tickets for formative assessments, or final unit exams for summative assessments. While many grade levels can use Google Forms, 9 through 12 teachers can gain quick information on each class they teach. Teachers can access the data immediately, and if selected, students can also access their results immediately. Data from recall information, like quality multiple choice question tests, can help guide teaching and identify any misconceptions in learning, according to Bonner and Chen. This platform can also let students analyze their own data, which aligns with the ISTE standards computational thinker to see any patterns that might come out of the data. Next, Edpuzzle is an interactive video platform where teachers can upload already made videos or their own videos to have students showcase their learning of skills and concepts. Teachers embed written or voice notes, multiple choice or short answer questions to assess students' learning and comprehension. This tool is ideal for older students, as navigating might be difficult for younger students, and helps the high school student engage more with critical thinking skills. This tool not only engages students with video content, but lets teachers analyze a pattern in comprehension of skills because Edpuzzle creates data charts of completion and success rates. Edpuzzle has a wide range of applications for various content, from video quizzes about a historical speech, an analysis of the plot chart of a movie clip, or viewing a scientific experiment and analyzing its success. Videos can be used as either formative or summative assessment, depending on when and how the teacher assigns the videos. Students become knowledge curators when they use Edpuzzle as part of their overall unit to learn how to evaluate or analyze source information, which is in line with the ISTE Standards 1.3b. Padlet is an interactive collaborative platform where students can post ideas, arguments, and reflections about any given topic. Images, video, and audio recordings are also acceptable formats to post. This is an ideal platform to assess strategic and higher order thinking in high school students because students can justify a stance on a topic through a discussion board-like setting, but add more resources. Teachers can assess students on critical thinking, argument, depth of knowledge, and various other types of thinking for an in-depth formative assessment. However, Padlet does not provide any data reports or analytics, so teachers must spend time to disseminate the information they get from this platform. Additionally, the platform helps students become digital collaborators in line with the ISTE Standards 1.7a because Padlet can connect students digitally from all over, not just a single classroom or school. Next, Formative allows teachers to create real-time lessons, interactive activities, and assessments, making it ideal for students at the high school level. Teachers can upload existing material or create new materials, including math problems and graphs. As an assessment tool, Formative shows real-time insights into student thinking with instant feedback from the teacher, so formative assessments are in-depth. Summative assessments are also supported because teachers can create multi-step problems to solve, research to compile, or require extended written responses. For example, a teacher can create an activity where students analyze data sets in a biology class and then explain their analysis in written form. Teachers can see how students interact with the data along with the written answers. Formative will create reports about how individual students perform on questions or how classes perform as a whole, helping teachers identify patterns or differentiate instruction as needed. Because formative can be used for more extensive assessments, it helps students meet the ISTE Standards 1.6c, communicating complex ideas. Finally, although it is best known as a plagiarism detection system, Turnitin has a variety of other features that can help assessments. One of those features is PeerMark, where students can swap digital papers with each other to complete a graded peer review. Another feature is a reflection assignment, where teachers can grade students in a self-assessment reflection with the same paper. Because this tool can be somewhat hard to navigate, it is best used for the 9-12 grade level. It is an excellent opportunity to increase the ability for students to self-assess in order to cultivate students' self-monitoring skills, according to Bonner and Chen, and can be formative during the drafting process for peer reviews or summative after the drafting process. Teachers can also view data on grammar, similarity reports, AI usage, and tracking feedback. Turnitin helps students support the ISTE Standard 1.2 to support digital citizenship in many ways by being aware of positive digital interactions and using sources ethically. These technology-based assessment tools can help teachers begin to utilize data in their classrooms more effectively. Thank you.